So I bought another truck and it's here. So we're going to go take the lift out here and get it unloaded. Let's go. I'm going to show you guys what I got here. It's quite nice, at least most of it. Here's what we got. We had it delivered this morning, came from Little Rock, Arkansas, and had to use the lift over there to drag it in the driveway. Check this thing out. Man, that is some serious damage. Took a hit right there. And then this frame in here is not looking so good. Huh, wow. Yeah, so we'll just put oil back in it. It'll start up, but I guess we'll see. I'm thinking maybe somebody cut the battery off, cut the wires off so that it doesn't crank. And inside the interior, we got airbags blown everywhere. The seat is ripped. We're gonna need new seat covers and all that. Steering wheel airbag, curtain, both curtains, and then the dash over here. Head support. So this is all the parts here. Salvage any parts, any small parts that we can. Made for this, that would be ideal. Really screwed this truck up. I got a wire in the front. There we go. Yep, just that big plug right there. This is our new dash panel for the passenger side. I'm gonna set that out. Here is all of our new seat covers. Get those out of here. Boom. Here's one. Two. Oh yeah. Beautiful. Boom. Two. And a clip. Boom. Nice. Boom. And boom. Ow, that's hot. There's two 8mm in the front. Pop those out. One on each side. You gotta pop a little cover off. Boom. Oh, there he is. There we go. Boom. Done. Check it out. All right, here is the airbag control module. Cool. Very good. All right, check that out. Right there it is. Boom. $15mm socket for the airbag or the seat belt. just 2 bolts. And there is the seatbelt assembly. We're gonna wrap this up real nicely and send it off. Hopefully get it back real soon. Alright, just finished up replacing these seat covers. Check it out. They'll probably maybe shrink a little bit and kind of settle, hopefully. But yeah, that's what it looks like. Get them cleaned up yet and we'll be good to go. Hey, if you made it this far in the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to follow along. See the next video where we will be tearing the dash apart to get to the passenger side airbag where it blew up. And yeah, follow along.